Forget the long process of path making and ink mixing. Just click on one of the most common CMYK separations. Auto-NoBlack reduces CMYK to only 3 process inks by completely removing black plate, while the composite look of the image perfectly matches the original. In shadows where black ink is really important, you can manually increase the intensity of the 3 remaining inks. If you are a packaging repress retoucher, add RetouchXpress to your existing Photoshop toolset to save valuable time and increase quality.